Stone Floor Cleaning Sutton by Fabritec Stone Care. Tired of battling with your stone floors to get them clean? We understand your frustration. You've scoured the internet, searched for every natural stone cleaning company in Sutton. You've tried every tile cleaning product on the market. But nothing seems to work. That's where Fabritec Stone Care comes in. Our team of experts are trained in the art of tile cleaning and natural stone cleaning. We understand the unique properties of each type of stone. We use only the best products to ensure a deep and thorough clean. Our secret? A combination of cutting-edge technology and time-tested methods that leave your floors looking like new. So if you're tired of struggling to keep your stone floors clean, give Fabritec a call. We'll take care of everything from start to finish, leaving you with floors that shine like new. For a reliable stone and tile cleaning and restoration contractor, call 0779860864 now.